Route2Plan. Route2Planner app is used to optimize the route and improve the logistics delivery efficiency. On logging in to the app by clicking the route option shows the current plans and completed plans. A wallet option is available to show the transaction details. The subscription plan is also shown in the wallet option. In profile name mail and mobile. Number is added or edited. Mark the start location in the map and when a new route option is clicked. A dialog box for the route name appears. Enter the route name and click Create. This update is found in the route option with the current route appears. Click the newly created name. It requests for the location. Add location by marking on the map. Save and add new is clicked. Add a second location by marking it on the map. Save and add new is clicked. Add the next point of delivery. Save and add new is clicked. Add the end location by marking on the map. Save and add new is clicked. You can find the delivery addresses in the delivery route name. Delivery status and map view are also found in it. The travel route shows the complete start-to-end route of delivery. Delivery location is clicked to change the status. As soon as delivered, the status of the delivery moves to completed. The map shows the current location and the next point of delivery. After delivering in each node and endpoint, the status is changed. The map shows the current location and the next point of delivery. Status for the final delivery point is also changed as completed. On completion, the route guiding in the map disappears. Logout option is found under Profile option. Our products. Thanks for watching the video.